Hey, this is Nicole, the food blogger of Brown Sugar, and I'm going to walk you through this tutorial on how to deep fry a turkey. And the first thing we're going to do is create a brining solution. And I always add some onions and garlic and herbs to mine. And you can start off with any brining solution you want. You can purchase one, which I typically do, but you can also make your own from scratch. And I have the complete measurements on how to make that on my blog if you would like to check that out. But it's pretty much like a bunch of salt, sugar, and some other spices. So here is the brining solution that I get every year. And it's pretty basic. It's just a herb brining solution. And to that, I'm going to add